Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube while doing something else with your smartphone. And I'm sure that it will be useful for you whenever you want to watch something informative while you follow along or you do some messaging on the side. And I just want to show you how you can do that with an OEM device and an Android device. So again, we have our Galaxy S8 and our Google Pixel 2 XL right by the left side. And first, I'm gonna show you how you can do it on the Galaxy S8. And we have here the YouTube channel of Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Please like and subscribe the videos if you find it useful. So first up is to open your YouTube app. You open it, and of course you search for something and you watch something. So let's try watching a video that we did a couple of days back. Just gonna lower the volume. So this video is about our Samsung Dex gaming video. And what if you want to do something with other apps? So when you go to your multitasking window, what if you want to do some reading on another app while you watch that video? So all you have to do is go to YouTube, just play it as usual, then go to the multitasking button, and right at the app icon on the top of it, you tap on it and open in pop-up view. So you have two options: open in split screen view and open in pop-up view. So split screen view is you have an app side by side using the same screen real estate. Pop-up view, your YouTube video will be hovering over the maximized app. So I suggest that you use the pop-up view, since you can have an entire app active at the back of it while the YouTube video is playing on top. So let's try pop-up view right there. So you can still play it, you can still pause it, you can even minimize it, maximize the video, and you can find the app that you want to use. So I have Watchville. So this app, you can read something. It's fully active. It's just that the YouTube app is hovering over it. And if you want to have more of the app below it, you can just make it smaller, resize it. So there's a limit to the size that you can assign to the YouTube app. And you can still go back and forth, whatever you want to do on the main app and what you want to do with the YouTube app. Just make sure you tap on YouTube first, and then you can access the controls on it. So you might be pressing the back button, or so example, you want to have a back button applied on the YouTube app, just make sure you tap on it first. Or you want to have it applied on the main app, you tap on it first before you do the operation. So what if you want to go back? Just maximize it. So you go back to the actual timestamp that you stopped. So you can resume watching it in the full YouTube app. What if we try the split screen view? The split screen view, as I tell you, is YouTube app and the secondary app will share same screen, and some apps don't support split screen view, so just take note of that. So Messenger and other apps. So if you want to have this, you can So you can maximize YouTube by dragging it down or dragging it up, whichever app you want to maximize. So maximize YouTube. Okay, so that's it. So what if you have a Google device? So since we have a Google Pixel 2 XL here, we can be sure that it supports the split screen feature natively in the Android 10 operating system. So when you go here, just go to YouTube, search another video. So we're gonna use the same video with gaming with Dex again, and
can be a productivity and
let's
entertainment
just
tool. But what about gaming?
let's just lower the volume. So as you're watching it, the way you do it with the Android 10 devices, you go to the multitask view again. So you have your active apps here, and you can have it app info, pause up, or split screen. So no pop-up view on Android 10, even on a Pixel device. So split screen, and then you choose another app. So YouTube is just waiting there, and same app that we used with the Galaxy S8, and you can see that the app just notified us that it's not supporting split screen, but it seems to be working with this split screen setup. But you will have some problems since the app is not optimized to operate in that configuration. So it's gonna have some lag, it's gonna have some difficulty conforming to the size. So you have two active apps side by side taking a portion of the screen, but some apps just doesn't have the support and optimization that is needed to have this configuration with a stable performance. So I say that the Galaxy S8, Samsung's device, won this one, and it's crying shame that Google can't support the pop-up view on Android 10 just yet, because this Google Pixel 2 XL has been updated to the latest version of Android. So hope this has been useful for you guys. Hope you can utilize this in your productivity, or just having two apps running at the same time to be more productive and more efficient with your everyday workflow. And it's a very good trick. In case you don't know this by now, if you know this by now and you like it, just still click like and subscribe to the CBD Repair Center, and we'll make more tips and tricks videos about Android in the coming days. So till next time guys, cheers.